1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Today I quickly want to show you how to play the song What Was I Made For? You can take the PDF in the description. It's going to have all the chords, drumming picking, it's going to be free, and 3 picking patterns that you can use with this song. The one that's fairly easy, one that's a little bit harder, and one that's very close to the original, what the piano is doing. Okay, so let's jump right into it here. Alright, so we're playing the song in the key of C, and if you're a male singer, then you could sing it a little bit higher, you know, put the capo a little bit higher and it's going to work better for your voice. And if you want to sing with the original, then you just put the capo on, no capo on. All right. So the first couple of chords we're going to work through is C. C. Si, signor. And then E minor. And then F. So with F we've got, it's almost the same as C, but we're going to use this shape. You can use the little easy F like this, and an A minor. C, E minor, F. What was that? Okay, that's the basis of the song. And then the chorus, we're going to move it up to these 3 chords, D minor, and then you can do either a G7, which I like more, or a G, a regular G. But the D7 to the G7 works really nice. Okay, once you have that, you can play the song if you know how to figure out the chord picking patterns and chord progressions. Basically, most of the song is going to be C for 2 beats, E minor 2 beats, and F for 4 beats. And then sometimes at the end of the chorus and the end of the verses, it's A minor, E minor, F. Okay, that's simple. And then in the chorus, it starts with a D minor G progression. And then it goes back to the first progression. Okay, so it's pretty simple. There are some chord charts there in the PDF. Let me quickly go over the picking patterns. So strumming pattern, you can do like down, 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 down. That could work. Or picking pattern, you can do P-I-M-I. Check out my website for more info on picking. P-I-M-I. And join Jooba Premium. That's a good thing to do. P-I-M-I. Okay, so that would sound like this. Or you could do P-I and then M and A together, these 2 together. That's really nice. Wow, that sounds really cool. Okay, or you could do the hardest picking pattern, which is this one. P, M, and A together. So thumb, middle, and ring finger. That's the pattern. So these 3 together, and then P separately, but on the lower string, and then M M and A together and then P again at the end. So. Alright, there you have it. And let's just play through the first verse just so you get an idea. I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now. What was I made for? 'Cause and then let's play through the chorus. 'Cause I don't know how to don't remember how that melody goes. But there you have it. Get the idea. Go get the PDF, and you can get a bunch of other PDFs. I have some nice songs from Billie Eilish too. Especially that one that goes capo on second fret, and I think you like to learn this one next. So it goes like this. I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you'd think. Just if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare. I've got a tutorial for that song, which you should go check out. Okay, cheers, have a nice day, and join Jooba Premium. It's the best thing you could ever do. Goodbye.